SL Forest here, and today we're gonna be playing Gumball Factory Tycoon. Let's get started. Alright, so there's an arrow. Let's go. I'm going to where the arrow's leading to. What is this? Lemon Gumball. A free lemon Gumball. Alright. Let's go. And where do I go? Well, do I have to tap that button? I'm pretty sure I have to tap that button. I have to tap that button. Gumball's not coming out. Press this. Okay. Yeah. Press it. Okay, just press it. Wait. I have to press it like. It's not coming out. What happened to the gumballs? Wait, let me see if I can find something else. Where is this thing? Go. Alright guys, please remember to like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell if you are new. I'm gonna go on the conveyor. I'm just gonna go on the conveyor. Wait. Why the lemon stuck? Open the door. Okay. Alright. Alright, gumballs are going in. That is good. I'm gonna press that again for more gumballs come out. Alright. We have to press this. Press the button. Alright. Press it again. Press it again. Again and again and again and again and again. Press it again. Press it again. Alright, that's it. That's it. That's it. I'm going on the conveyor again. I am going on the conveyor again. Wait. How do you get money in this game? Wait. Nope. How do you play this game? Oh. Found something. I found something. I found something. Found a button. Wait, what does this button do? What is this? Oh, load gum? I have to load gum? Oh, you have to load the gum into money. I get it now. Load the gum. I have to load the gum. Let's do this. Let's do this. Alright, 0%. Now we have to open this. Oh, I made a few dollars. $4. I made $4. Open the door. Alright. Time to load them up. Load them up. Let's go. Alright, there's some gumballs coming out. Why does that always happen? Alright, there we go. Time to load it up. I have to load the gum. Let's go. And then need to load the gum. Alright. Alright, that's enough. Alright, look at our gum machine going. Look at that. We have a fully working lemon gum machine. We're going in to make the money. Alright. Oh, that's a lot of lemon balls. Alright. Open the door. Nice. Oh, that's a lot of gumballs. That is pretty good. Alright. Time to get some more gumballs. We have to load them in. Alright, we need to just get enough lemon gumballs to stay on this door. This is my strategy. Let the lemon gumballs stay on this door, and then when they're enough, I'm just gonna open the door. 3, 2, 1. Open. Alright. That's pretty good. Now I can wait. I need gum limit. Wait, they have a gum limit? 21 gum loaded. Okay. Just need to get enough, and then open the door. All right. That's enough. No more gumballs. Nope, no more gumballs. I'm running out. Please stay here. Please stand by. What? They're going through me? What? Alright. Okay. I'm just gonna let that door. I'm not gonna let that door stay closed. That's it. Alright. Time to load the gum. Alright, load them in, load them in, load them in. Let's go. Load them in. Nice. It's pretty good. Oh, that's a lot of gum loaded. Let me count that. Let me count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 gumballs. 14, that's 14, 15, 16. Okay, that's a lot of gumballs. That's a lot of gumballs. There's just a traffic jam of gumballs. Just a traffic jam of gumballs. Nothing serious here, just a traffic jam of gumballs. Alright. We are loading them. Oh, that's a lot of gumballs. Alright. Time to buy something. I need to buy something else. Let's go. Jump. Alright, how much is the next gumball? Next gumball is what? Nope. Got another lemon gumball machine. Another lemon gumball machine. Alright. Pretty good. Another lemon gumball machine. Oh wait, let me. All we have is just lemons, but there's just other types of lemons there. All we have is just lemon bubblegum. Alright. I'm just gonna go back on the conveyor. Oh no! It's building up, it's building up, it's building up, it's building up. Literally, it's building up. That is serious. I am running out of storage. I'm gonna have to load these out. I'm gonna have to load these gumballs out. Load the gum. Alright. There we go. Now I can get more gumballs. And now I can open the door of the gum factory. There we go. Now that is serious business. Wait, let me buy this bubblegum giver. Wait, I can eat bubblegum. Yummy bubblegum. Alright. That bubblegum giver was a waste of money. Oh no. That's a traffic jam of lemons. That's too much. Stop loading. That's too much lemons. Too much lemon bubblegum. Oh jeez. That is too much lemon gum. Ooh. Alright, I'm gonna end the video here. Bye everyone, see you in the next video.